In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an employee in Odoo. We'll begin from the Odoo home screen. First, select the database you want to work in, and once that opens, go to the main dashboard. This is your starting point for accessing the different business apps available in Odoo. From the main dashboard, click on the Employees app. That will open the Employees page, where you can view existing employee records and create new ones. To add a new employee, click the New button. This opens the employee maintenance page, which is where you'll enter and manage the employee's information. You'll notice there are several fields and tabs available here. It's helpful to know that you do not need to complete everything right away. Odoo allows you to save the record and come back later to update any missing details, which is useful if you only have partial information at the moment. The first field you should fill in is the employee's name, because this is required. You can also enter a phone number or mobile number if you have that information ready, but keep in mind that personal contact details should only be added when appropriate and accurate. You may also add tags. Tags are useful for organizing and grouping employees. For example, they can help identify teams, roles, locations, or any custom category your company uses. They make searching and filtering employee records much easier later on. Next, click on the Work tab. This section is where you'll typically manage job-related information, such as work contact details and other employment-specific data. It helps define the employee in their professional context within the company. After that, open the Resume tab. This area is used for career-related background information. You can upload a resume here, and you can also select skills from the available list. This is especially useful for maintaining a more complete employee profile over time. Then click on the Personal tab. As the name suggests, this tab contains personal information, such as private contact details, family member information, education, and other personal records that may be relevant for HR purposes. Next, go to the Payroll tab. This section is where payroll-related details are managed. It's intended for information connected to salary processing and compensation settings. Then open the Settings tab. This tab usually contains system-related or configuration options connected to the employee record, depending on how your Odoo environment is set up. Once you've gone through the tabs and entered the information you need, take a moment to review all your changes. This helps you catch any missing or incorrect details before saving. When everything looks good, click Save to create the employee record. After saving, go back to the Employees page. You should now see that the employee has been added to the list. And that's it. You've successfully created an employee in Odoo. Thanks for watching.